Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In last video I show you how you can move off and stop without doing any mistake. In today's video I will show you how you need to turn left. So if you haven't watched previous video and you want to know how to move off and stop safely without doing any mistake, you can watch that video. I will put the link in the description or you can click up here. If you are new to channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out any future video. So let's get started. Today I will show you how to turn left safely without doing any mistake. We will do from the main road to side road, and then we will do from side road to main road. So let's get started. So now we are going left from main road to side road, checking center left mirror, indicate left, and make sure don't go too close to the curb and don't go other side of the road. And there is a park van, so I will make sure no one is coming from other side before I start overtaking. Now we are approaching left turn again, center left mirror, indicate left, start slowing down. We don't need to worry, we have priority. We will just start turning and then we will look at the new road for any speed change or any parked car or anything, whatever is happening on that new road. Okay, now we are turning from side road to main road. So we are approaching T junction. We'll check center left mirror, indicate left in good time. Make sure you don't indicate too early or too late. Now all you need to make sure is don't go too close to the curb and have a good angle. So first you need to assess where you need to position your car, and then you will look right. Now we'll look right, no one is coming, so we can carry on. If you need to stop, you have to stop just before the giveaway line. So reference point is you can bring that giveaway line under your side mirror. Okay, so that's how you do left turn from main road to side road and from side road to main road. When you do from main road to side road, you have priority. You don't need to wait. You just bring your speed down to safe speed, start turning, and make sure you don't go too close to the curb and you don't go other side of the road. And if there is a parked car, like that van was parked there, so before start overtaking, make sure no one is coming from other side and don't go straight way to the right side of the road. And when you are turning left from side road to main road, then you don't have priority. You have to look right. If it is clear, then you can carry on, and in some situation you need to look left as well. If there is a parked car in front of you, so maybe who is coming from left, he is overtaking those parked car and using your side of the road. And because they are on the main road, no matter if they are coming from left or right, they have priority. So that's it for today. If this video is helpful, please leave your feedback. Your feedback is my motivation. And don't forget to subscribe if you are new to channel so you don't miss out any future video. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.